If you're looking for help fixing your Insignia washer, look no further. Our comprehensive Insignia Washer repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Insignia manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Insignia appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Noisy. The drive belt is used to connect the drive motor to the transmission in some top-load washers, or the drive motor to the wash basket in most front-load washers. The drive belt is used to connect the drive motor to the transmission in some top-load washers, or the drive motor to the wash basket in most front-load washers. The drive belt may be either a single V-shaped belt or a multi-rib belt and is normally made of rubber, but may have a fabric covering. On front-load washers, the drive belt is normally a multi-ribbed belt and is designed to be installed for a tight fit. On belt-driven top-load washers, the drive belt is normally a V-belt with a fabric covering to allow for some slippage, or it may be a rubber-covered belt with an idler pulley or other tensioning device to reduce the amount of friction created when the motor starts up. Leaking. If your washer is leaking, you should first check the hoses. There are several types of hoses found on a washing machine, and the most common are the drain and fill hoses. The fill hoses connect the household supply to the water inlet valve and are normally located at the rear of the washer. Check to make sure that the threaded fittings are tightened securely and that the leak is not caused by the faucet. The drain hose is also located at the rear of the machine and may not be properly installed into the household drain. Verify that the leak is not caused by a restricted household drain that is backing up through the standpipe. Never seal the drain hose opening in the standpipe. Will not start. A safety feature found on front-load washing machine is the door switch and the door lock and strike. On most models, the door switch must be closed and the door lock must be activated before the washer will start. The switch is normally located in the door frame of the washing machine, but may also be part of the door lock assembly. Inspect the strike to make sure that it engages the door lock assembly and that the door remains closed. To check the door switch for continuity with a multimeter, you will need to disconnect the power and remove the front panel. Will not agitate. On top-loading washers that use a dual-action agitator, it is possible for the upper portion of the agitator to become disengaged from the bottom portion. The upper part is driven by directional cogs or dogs that are made of hard plastic and can wear out from hard use. If the upper portion of your agitator will turn in either direction or makes a grating sound during the wash cycle, then the directional cogs may need to be replaced. Remove the softener dispenser cover to access the retaining bolt securing the top portion of the agitator. With this removed, you will be able to replace the directional cogs and the plastic bearing support. Pumps but does not spin. Some top-load washers use a direct drive motor coupling to transfer power from the motor to the transmission. The drive coupling connects the motor to the transmission and consists of two plastic drive forks with a rubber coupling between them. One of the drive forks is attached to the drive motor shaft and the other is attached to the transmission input shaft. As the motor shaft rotates, the rubber coupling between the drive forks absorbs the torque to prevent the forks from breaking. Normal use will create wear on the coupling and eventually the drive forks may slip and not engage the transmission and clutch. A common symptom of a failing motor coupling is that the washing machine fills and drains normally but will not agitate or spin. Most models will require you to remove the cabinet to access the drive coupler. Disconnect power from the appliance before attempting any repairs.